Hello, good day everyone. So today I'll talk about everything about Indian stock market. So this video is going to be a bit longer, and please before I start with the full video, if I tell you everything about A to Z, please subscribe my channel, and also please do like and uh, you know share my video and subscribe to encourage my posts. Okay, so today I am going to tell you about A to Z about Indian stock market, how you can start, how you can open your demat account, and then what will be the next step after your demat account is activated. What are the stocks you need to look at if you are a beginner, and then what are the strategy for in terms of traders and investors, different shares. I'll tell you each and everything about it. So let's start. So first, as I mentioned in my previous post, that first you need to have a demat account, and if you're an Indian citizen you can open a demat account. You need to have a PAN card, and if you have PAN card you can go for you know with you can go with any brokers, and I always suggest you go for a reputed broker like HDFC Security, ICICI Bank, and Angel Broking. You have Zerodha, you have SMC, you have Upstocks, you have so many others, good brokers. And why you need to go with reputed brokers? Because they have very good integrated software applications, so you will have smooth trading investing experience during the trading and investing sessions. Okay, so fine. So once you have the demat account open, and then please don't choose any penny stock, because for first time beginners they always look for any penny stock to invest, but it's not advisable because penny stock is very risky, and I'll not advise to invest in penny stocks. Okay, rather here you can see the 50 stock, 50 nifty stock. You can see if you can also start accumulating very few numbers of stocks, that is also fine, but please invest in quality number of shares. So like Reliance, Zilis, Z Business, G Entertainment Limited, HDFC Bank. You'll have Jindal Steel, Maruti, Axis Bank, Hero Motocorp, Dr. Reddy, all the stocks. Okay, you can see UPL, ICICI Bank. So I will suggest you invest with very limited amount, but choose a correct stock. Okay, good reputed stock to start with in the market. And initially it is you can do whenever you gain 10% or 7 to 10% in return, you can sell that particular stock and book profit. So we initially beginning, you don't have to invest for long time. So first you do research for good stock, and then as soon as you're getting a 7 to 8%, 7 to 10% return, you can sell of that stock and book profit. And once you're becoming more experienced, then slowly you can do for long time investment, like if you can buy a share and keep that share for minimum 6 to 1 year, and for in that case you will get more return. But you have to always ever you need to always look for updated news. Okay, what's going on in the market, you need to be up to date about Indian stock market, what's going on, because it's also important to have all the market related updates, because if any bad news comes up, and if you have already invested in the stock, you need to sell off the stock in order to avoid loss. And also it's always good to keep stock loss. So please keep the stock loss for each and every stock. Suppose you have bought any stocks at the rupees of 100, and you have target price to sell in the particular stock at 120. you please put stop loss below 100, because 100 is your buying price. So maybe stop loss, I'm just giving you example. You should have some target stop loss, and you should have always a target profit. So stop loss, please maintain 5% or 4%. What it is in simple term, whatever amount you can, you know you are ready to lose, you are ready to take risk. So that amount you choose as a stop loss. So 100 you may put stop loss as 95 rupees. So if the stock price goes below around 95, your that stock will be sell up, and you have to book loss in that case. And similarly, you have to always have the target in mindset. So don't chase any stock. Whenever the target price is hit, you have to sell it off and book your profit. Okay, so it's very important to set target price and target stop loss. And also I'd suggest always keep an eye in stock market, up to date, keep an eye in the news. And also we have various you know boards and media, so that you can get regular updates from them. Okay. And now I think it is retail investors coming in huge numbers. So you just want to have a demat account, and then you can start investing money. And in beginning, initially you just keep investing for short term only. Once you have 7 to 10% return, then you can sell the particular stock. And once you're a bit experienced, then you can do it for long term investment. Okay. And I think if you can start in this way, I think it will be more beneficial for you. And so in stock market, it is everything depends on the situation, and market is driven by the news and the, yeah, it's always don't work always on fundamental basis, on technical basis. So if there is any news, you have to follow that news. You have to understand nerves, and you have to uh, go with the flow. Okay, so it's very important. So yeah, I hope you will gain a bit experience and a very basic idea about Indian stock market. And I wish you earn good profit by investing money in a stock market. So if you invest wisely, you will not lose money. But I suggest please research about that particular stock. See about the stocks business, business model, what that particular stocks do business, and their market capital. Okay. And how much percentage they have gave return in previous years, their business growth, and their income. So please check all these things before you invest your money in stock market. And I wish you all the best, in your stock market journey. I'll post similar kind of videos in my next post. So enjoy and have a good day. Thank you.